Hello and welcome back. As you can see, we have the box. This is a box from our sponsor, Orchid Supply Store. And if you would like to get a 12% discount on your order, whether you order one thing or 100 things, go to the coupon code area at checkout and use coupon code TRISH for your 12% off. And don't forget, they do offer free shipping on just about everything. Now, I know I have some bark in here, and I should have some clear pots. I'm not sure what else we have. I see some opaque pots. I see the clear pots. Yay! I was going to wait and do this tomorrow, but there was some rattling going on. I just want to make sure nothing got broken and loosened, because the poor UPS girl that delivered this, she was struggling with this box. Now, the box is a little weighty, but I'm over half a century old, and I was able to pick it up. And she was young enough to be my daughter, so she might want to go work out. I don't want to be that person, but here are some of the things that you can get at the Orchid Supply Store. You can get clear pots, which I needed some more of both of these sizes, which I did let Ken know that I needed them. And then I got some more of the opaque pots. They do have the slots in them again. And they also do decorative pots, guys, not just the plastic orchid pots, but they also have decorative pots. They have mounts. They even have the specialized custom-made mounts from Nell, from, Nature Nell. And some more African violet mix, which I also need some more of that. Let's move this sideways here. And then we have some hydrogen clay pebbles. So I had asked Ken a while back if they did Leca or hydrogen, and here is our answer. So if you grow in Leca, they have the stuff you need. So we will test this and see how it works compared to the other cruddy stuff that I bought for the Sherry baby. That's neither here nor there. And then we have some Glacier Gold potting mix, which I have plans for. And in here we have the Orchiata small bark, which is what we were waiting for my weird orchid, the weirdest orchid, the Presidium Gilded White Knight. So now we can get that thing out of the pot and repot. Let me take all of this out real quick so we can look at it. Look at them as a whole. Here we go. So remember, if you need soil, if you need a bark, if you need African violet mix, perhaps you need some hydrogen balls or Leca beads, as we like to call them. Let me lay these down. They don't like to stand. You need plastic pots. They've got you. Again, like I said, they have decorative pots as well. They have the regular mounts, and then they have the custom-made mounts from Nature Nell. They have the trellises. They have the cute little spike clips. Guess I picked the wrong one. That one's not very, very dark, but they have the spike clips. They have the dragonflies as well as the butterflies. You name it, they've got you. So go ahead and check them out. I put their link down in the description below. And then at checkout in the coupon gift certificate area, use TRISH at checkout, get your 12%, and then let me know what you bought. See you on the next one.